In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up a new file, so a new page, by clicking File top left, New, and then of course you want to create a new document. Whenever you do this and you have a blank page over here or an existing page already, you want to go down here to the left-hand side where you can see this T, and when you hover over it, you can then click on it, and it's going to give you two options. You could either have the artistic text tool, which when you hover over here, it's going to tell you exactly what this does. So there we go. It says add decorative artistic text to your design. Okay, so that's the first thing. The second one is the frame text tool, which will basically add a text frame which acts as a container for paragraph text. So of course, you can select whichever one you want. I'm gonna go ahead and go with the basic text over here, and then you can just click anywhere on your screen here and basically drag out a container where you can put in your text. So I'm just gonna type in, let's say, subscribe, because you should, and then I'm gonna add a smiley face. There we go. And then you can of course edit this text by just like dragging this container around to actually make it different sizes. Like this, you can make it bigger, wider, more narrow, however you want it to be. And then you can also change the size. So to change the size, you can just basically hover over it and highlight it like that, and then you can change the size up here. As you can see, it's going to show you how big this is. I'm just going to leave it at 72 right now, and then you can also go ahead and click this plus or minus, which will change the size as well. You could go here and make it different formatting: uppercase, lowercase, sentence case, title case. It's up to you. You could make it bold, you could make it italic, underline, you could make it a strikeout, you could go ahead and do superscript, which will basically put it like that, or subscript. That's also possible as well. Here you could change the font color and the highlight color, and then here you could align your text. So if you want it to be, for example, centered in the middle, you could go ahead and click on align center. It's going to go into the middle over here, and then you also have some other options up here which allow you to align it like to the top, to the center automatically, or you could go ahead and basically change different things regarding your paragraph and stuff like that. Now when you then click on this pointer, the move tool over here, you'll be able to move this around freely. As you can see here, you'll be able to again resize this container, and if you set everything correctly, this is always going to stay wherever you want it to be, and then you can just go ahead and use these grid lines here on your document to be able to position it on your screen however you'd like it to be. So that's how to add text. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.